I like to go out in the rain, 'cause these drops kinda ease the pain. Walking down the street, got a lot on my brain. Reminiscing on the good and the bad things. Long days, long nights, going insane. Gotta take it easy so I don't hydroplane. Well as thoughts that I can't tame, and now I'm drowning in them. The brakes on my head, so it keeps spinning. I really don't know what to do, but I know I gotta keep trekking through. And they talk slippery, like who are you? Pop the hell rail saying all things true, with a new crew. Lyrical ambition, make that good music. My brother, just listen, like the raindrops on your windowsill, and like them heavy thunders something that you can feel. And you know, the rhythm's gonna keep it real. 100 like them Frank, all the dollar bill. Do it good, but couldn't do it better. Lyrical ambition, make it rain in any weather. And we on our way up like an umbrella. Singing that World Cup and pour some champagne. 'Cause tonight we gon' celebrate like Spain. On the sunny days, no more rain.
Trickling down my window, I got a good feeling, but my reminiscence feels slow. This is joint you can roll up and smoke off. I got beef niggas, baloney, miles are tall. I guess I gotta be the one to turn it on. I got you haters taking laps, marathon. My life repeats with no end like a circle. I got you haters spinning at the station like a turntable. But it's more said than done. Grown but never tamed. Now who you think won? I'm in the number one, hotter than the summer sun. The one that brings like copper flood like a plumber, son. Yeah, kid, you can't do what I ever did. It's LA at its finest, on that tightest shit. So I'm like Illuminati, killing all my witnesses. Still driven by my fame, handling all my business shit. Move it there, make a hit and sell it everywhere. Every street, every corner, LA forward everywhere. Like the rain washes the street, our raps clearing the sky, never the limit, so rapping on my rap. LA all day, CJ's here to stay. With the new edition, Hell Round, Roast Kill.